Okay, Thanos' helmet is now complete. Came out really nice. It was a free Thingiverse model I got. Basically sanded, primed it, Bondo puttied. Gonna get any imperfections out that I could. It came out really good. As you can see here, this is the bust I made also a little while back. I have a video out on him. You can go back and look at that. I'll leave a link in the video description. But yeah, this bust came out pretty nice too, which was also a Thingiverse free file. So they got some good files on Thingiverse that are free. You don't have to pay for everything. But Do 3D is also a great site that you know you have to pay for files, but they got some really nice ones there too. So. And CG Trader, I believe it is. They're also good. Yeah, so this one here came out nice. Actually, I put some leather. I got it from Hobby Lobby. I was going to use some of the foam, like Dockwing Dad. But then when I was there at the store, they had this nice leather, and it was like it's really soft and shaped. And I just cut it up and made it fit and glued it in. It came out nice. It's comfortable. It actually acts like a cushion, you know. So it's yeah, it feels like it's more like a helmet, more professional, feeling that leather in there. It's pretty cool. So yeah, it's the helmet's wearable, fits good. You know, it took a little while to do some taping over here. Do a lot of taping and trying to size this up right, and I didn't want to get any paint bleed through the tape or anything, so you know, got to take your time with these things. But it came out good. And I'm almost done with the Django Fett helmet. That was that two-part helmet I had with the two failures on top of the crown. My past videos, if you look at those. And I made I repaired both of them, and I made a Boba Fett helmet out of one. It came out really nice. My video's there for that also. You can check that out. And now I got a Jango Fett, which is, you know, Boba Fett's father. That one's just about done. I'm just waiting for the shield to come in and put the shield in, and then I'll make a video on that. And I'm also in the process of 3D printing a bust right now, which is coming out pretty good. It's around 49% complete. This is the torso, and the head's already complete. I've already got that primed and ready to go. I just haven't put any paint on it yet besides the primer. And but it's that one's going to come out pretty good. That's the MK46 bust, by the way. Matter of fact, let me see something. Give you a little sample. Give you a little sample here. Okay, so this is the head so far. Okay. It's the MK46. And it's going to be a pretty good sized bust when I'm done. This is going to be all airbrush painted. I'm going to go with the airbrushing on this and see how I can get this to come out. Hopefully it can come out nice and glossy. I do have, you know, I do have some gloss I can go over it with. Or just use 2K. It works too over acrylics. And so this will be an interesting one. It's going to be a good sized bust. You can see just by the size of the head. So we'll see on that one. Okay, so some things to look forward to, and I just want to thank everybody for subscribing and liking on my Iron Spider-Man helmet video I just put up. It's got almost 6,000 views. I've never had anything like that before, so it just blows my mind. I can't believe 6,000 people viewed it, and I got a lot of likes, and I picked up a lot of subscribers just from that one video. But I have a lot of other videos I feel that were just as good. And maybe they just didn't get put out to YouTube like that one did for some reason. But I mean, you know, go back in my video library and check them out. I mean, I got some great helmet builds. You know, just really nice stuff. You know, check them out, and just, you know, I appreciate if you like them, or leave a comment, you know, leave a comment on anything. It's always nice to hear from people. I always try to help you out if I can. You know, you want to know something, I'll let you know. I'll get back to you. But you know, this is just a hobby, so I'm enjoying it. And until the next video, until the next completion, Falcon out.